In this video I am going to show you how to keep a laptop on when the lid is closed. Keeping a laptop on when the lid is closed ensures background tasks like downloads, updates, or rendering continue without interruption. Follow these steps. Type Control in the search bar and open Control Panel. Click Power Options. On the left sidebar, click Choose what closing the lid does. Under When I close the lid, select Do Nothing for both on battery and plugged in. Then click Save Changes. Now your laptop will stay on even when you close the lid.